Question 81. Can you describe your experience with data visualization tools and how you've used them to communicate findings to stakeholders in an academic setting? I have extensive experience with data visualization tools like Tableau and Power BI. In a recent project, I utilized Tableau to create interactive dashboards that illustrated student performance trends over multiple semesters. By collaborating with faculty, I tailored the visualizations to highlight key metrics and insights. This approach not only facilitated data-driven discussions during departmental meetings, but also equipped stakeholders with actionable recommendations. The dashboards were designed to be user-friendly, allowing non-technical faculty members to explore the data independently, fostering a culture of data literacy within the department. Question 82. What methodologies do you employ when conducting a root cause analysis for discrepancies in academic data? My approach to root cause analysis involves a structured methodology, typically starting with data verification. I apply techniques such as the 5 whys, fishbone diagram, and Pareto analysis to identify underlying issues. For instance, when encountering unexpected enrollment discrepancies, I first validate the data sources, checking for data integrity. Next, I analyze the workflow and processes leading to data entry. By engaging with team members and stakeholders, I gather insights that help pinpoint the root cause. This thorough investigation not only resolves immediate issues, but also informs process improvements to prevent future occurrences. Question 83. How do you ensure the accuracy and integrity of academic data throughout the production pipeline? Ensuring data accuracy and integrity involves implementing robust validation checks at multiple stages of the production pipeline. I establish automated data quality checks using scripts that flag anomalies during data ingestion. Additionally, I perform regular audits and establish a version control system for datasets. Collaboration with data stewards and academic departments is crucial. I conduct training sessions to promote best practices in data entry and maintenance. This proactive approach minimizes errors and enhances trust in the data. Regular feedback loops with stakeholders also help in identifying potential areas for improvement, ensuring that the dataset remains reliable over time. Question 84. Can you explain how you would approach designing a CI/CD pipeline for academic data projects? Designing a CI/CD pipeline for academic data projects involves several steps. First, I assess the project requirements and identify key stages like data preparation, transformation, and validation. I then choose suitable tools, such as Jenkins for automation and Docker for containerization, enabling consistent environments across development and production. Each stage of the pipeline incorporates automated testing, such as unit tests for code and data validation scripts. Additionally, I establish a staging environment for user acceptance testing, ensuring that stakeholders can review changes before they are deployed. Finally, I document the pipeline thoroughly to facilitate onboarding and maintainability. Question 85. Describe a challenging data-related problem you faced in an academic setting and how you resolved it. In a previous role, I faced significant challenges with inconsistent grading data across multiple courses. This inconsistency stemmed from different grading practices and data entry methods. To resolve this, I initiated a collaborative workshop with faculty to standardize grading criteria and data entry protocols. We developed a shared template that aligned with institutional policies. I then created a centralized database with structured data entry forms to ensure consistency moving forward. Additionally, I implemented periodic audits to monitor compliance. This collaborative approach not only resolved the immediate discrepancies, but also fostered a culture of data stewardship among faculty. Question 86. How do you stay current with emerging technologies and methodologies relevant to academic analytics. Staying current in the field of academic analytics involves a multifaceted approach. I regularly participate in webinars and workshops hosted by educational institutions and analytics organizations. Additionally, I follow industry blogs, subscribe to relevant journals, and engage with professional networks on platforms like LinkedIn. Attending conferences allows me to learn from peers and industry leaders, gaining insights into best practices and emerging trends. I also dedicate time to online courses that focus on new tools and techniques, ensuring that I can bring the latest methodologies into my work. This commitment to continuous learning enhances my ability to contribute effectively to academic projects. Question 87. What role does documentation play in your workflow as an academic production analyst, and how do you ensure it is maintained? Documentation is critical in my workflow as it provides clarity and continuity for projects. I ensure that all processes, data models, and methodologies are documented comprehensively, using tools like Confluence or SharePoint. This includes creating user guides, data dictionaries, and workflow diagrams that are easily accessible to team members. To maintain documentation, I schedule regular reviews and updates, particularly after major project milestones or changes in processes. I also encourage team collaboration by assigning documentation responsibilities, ensuring that it is a collective effort. This approach not only enhances knowledge sharing, but also serves as a valuable resource for onboarding new team members. Question 88. How do you approach stakeholder engagement when presenting complex data findings to non-technical audiences? Engaging stakeholders effectively requires tailoring the presentation of complex data to suit non-technical audiences. I focus on storytelling techniques, framing data insights within the context of their interests or challenges. Utilizing visual aids, such as graphs and infographics, simplifies complex information and highlights key takeaways. I also avoid jargon, using plain language to ensure clarity. During presentations, I encourage questions and discussions to clarify any misunderstandings. By fostering an interactive environment, stakeholders feel more involved and invested in the findings. This approach not only enhances comprehension, but also builds trust and collaboration between analysts and decision makers. Question 89. Can you discuss your experience with cloud-based platforms in academic analytics? I have worked extensively with cloud-based platforms such as AWS and Google Cloud for academic analytics projects. My experience includes setting up data lakes for centralized storage, leveraging services like Amazon S3 for data warehousing, and using Google BigQuery for large-scale data analysis. I appreciate the scalability and flexibility these platforms offer, allowing for rapid data processing and analysis. Additionally, I utilize cloud-based tools for collaborative data workflows, enabling real-time access and updates among team members. Security is paramount, so I implement best practices, including access controls and encryption, to protect sensitive academic data while ensuring compliance with institutional policies. Question 90. What experience do you have with data governance, and how do you ensure compliance with regulatory requirements? My experience with data governance includes implementing frameworks that align with institutional policies and regulatory requirements like FERPA. I work closely with data governance committees to develop data classification schemes, ensuring that sensitive data is identified and handled appropriately. Regular training sessions for staff on data handling protocols are key to fostering a culture of compliance. I also contribute to creating data governance documentation, including policies and procedures, to guide data usage. Regular audits and compliance checks are conducted to ensure adherence, and I stay informed of any changes in regulations to update our practices accordingly. This proactive approach mitigates risks associated with data breaches, and enhances institutional credibility. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.